So a lot of people, when they think about BC, they think about Vancouver. But within BC, there's a hidden gem called the Okanagan. And within the Okanagan, there's another hidden gem called Kelowna. This is definitely a city that offers this work-life balance that everybody is striving to find. So let's talk about what Kelowna has to offer. Probably one of the biggest things is the international airport, which allows a lot of people to come in and out of the community with ease. So once you get here, you will see the most spectacular views you have ever seen. It is a gorgeous spot to live. It has lakes and mountains and ski hills. So whether you're a boater, a golfer, or someone who just likes to taste wine, this is a city that's got it all.
It has everything Vancouver has without the traffic jams. And the people are a lot more friendly here. They actually hold doors open for you, which is super weird. And they talk to you in the elevator, which just always freaks me out.
Yes, it's the right size because it's big, but not that big. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, so I know what is big and what is crowded. So this is a perfect size and I love it. You still have all you need and more. It's just perfect.
Kelowna is a really vibrant city. Not only is it attracting a lot of people, but also some different industries. So specifically, we're seeing growth in film, construction and new development, tourism, as well as tech. So this is a really good thing because this allows people to move into the community, take advantage of the new opportunities, and enjoy the lifestyle we have to offer. One of the attractions that people have to the Okanagan is the fact that a lot of the lifestyle can be enjoyed outdoors. So picture this, there are countless trails that you can enjoy either walking, running, or riding on. You've got a waterfront that's beautiful for either swimming, boating, or sailing, as well as joining the countless beaches along the lakefront. The wine here is some of the best in the world, and I often tell people that we are the Napa Valley of Canada. So in the winter, because Kelowna is located central in the Okanagan, you actually have easy access to 3 major ski hills. And if you're into shopping, you've got everything from the boutique shops up to the big box stores, so you don't need to leave. So let's talk about golf. The Okanagan Valley is actually one of Canada's top destinations for golf. There are over 30 golf courses and some of the tee views are the most beautiful you will ever see. Kelowna has so much to offer. Whether you are just starting your family or you're wanting to settle down and retire, there is something here for everybody. I'm Kim Heizmann. So whether you live here or want to relocate to Kelowna, it would be my privilege to help you find your next home.